Your BeHear Now headset can control many functions on its own. However, using the app will provide more options with a user-friendly interface. The app, which runs on either Android or iOS platforms, allows you to use more features such as automated personalization of hearing profiles based on a built-in hearing assessment, slowing down speech on phone calls to improve intelligibility, fine-tuning of sound in real time, management of default mode behavior, vibration alerts, and more. First, go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and search for Wear and Hear BeHear. When you see this symbol by Alongo Technologies, download it. Once the app has downloaded successfully, launch it. The first time you open the app, after you accept the terms of use, it will go straight to the introduction screens. These give you a quick overview of the features in the three main hearing modes. In the last part of the introduction, you can enter your name, which will be displayed in the hearing assessment results screen once you have done the hearing assessment. The next thing you should do is pair your phone with the headset. The application opens the connection screen automatically if no BeHear Now headset has been paired with the phone. Once you tap on the BeHear Now connection, the phone will pair with the headset and the screen will change to the home screen of the app. The application's home screen changes automatically depending on the actual state of the headset. When the application operates in the background, major control functions are also available via the phone's notification drawer. In all of the app screens, you can see the battery level here, the Bluetooth reception level here, and new notifications here. The main menu is located on the top left. Tap on it to open the menu and choose between the different options. If the headset is not connected, many of these options will not appear. There are separate videos about the hearing assessment and connections. Refer to them for more detailed explanations about those topics. Let's go through all the rest of the different options. Introduction gives you a quick overview of the features in the three main hearing modes. Personal Info displays your latest hearing assessment results after you've performed the built-in hearing assessment. Headset Update allows you to check for updates. You can either check manually for updates by tapping here, or toggle the control for the auto check to on. In this case, if an update is available, an icon will appear in the notification area on each screen. We recommend that you keep the auto check on so that you don't miss out on any update. About displays general information about the app. Note the links to terms of use and to the Wear and Hear website. Last but not least, let's go to the settings screen. This option is only available when the headset is connected. In this screen, you can define application-wide settings as follows. Slide the silver dot to set the desired amplification balance between left and right ears. This setting is applied to the volume control in addition to the result of the built-in hearing test, and will be active in all operation modes of the headset: phone calls, audio playback, and personal hearing. Press the mid button to set the dot in the middle of the slider, providing equal amplification to both ears. This is also the default setting. With personal hearing amplification, you choose whether you want the feature to be automatically on, off, or according to the last state. This setting only affects the default state. You can always choose to turn the personal hearing amplification on and off through the app home screen, the notification panel, or by a long press on the middle button of the right control box. With Listen Through Music, you choose the desired default operation mode for the listen through function when listening to audio. This determines only the automatic setting when you start playing audio. You can always toggle this feature on or off when you listen to audio, either via the app or by a long press on the middle button of the right control box. With Easy Listen Comprehension, you choose the desired default operation for the Easy Listen function. You can always change the setting during a phone call using the app. This setting just determines in which state the call will start. The vibration setting controls vibration notification behavior in the BeHear Now headset for the following events: headset power on and power off, Bluetooth pairing, connection and disconnection, connecting to the charger, Incoming call, synchronized with the call tone. You can choose either on or off. The default setting is on. The hearing assessment mode setting defines the type of hearing assessment to be performed. Choose between basic and advanced. With notifications, you determine how warnings and notifications about unsaved changes to hearing parameters are displayed in the personal hearing screen. At the bottom of the settings menu, there is a reset button. This allows you to restore all settings to the factory default state. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here